Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making safety first. Unplug, wait 5 minutes, and set tools close. Use a thin plastic spudger at a seam, insert gently where the case has the smallest gap. Once the spudger is seated, twist slightly to separate the two halves. Patience prevents cracking the shell. You want a slow, even separation versus brute force. As you open that first millimeter, keep fingers clear of the PCB edge. Small clips hold the halves, so work around the perimeter methodically. Once done opening the shell, locate and remove any small screws securing the PCB. You'll see plastic tabs and glue points. Use a plastic pick to free tabs, then lift the board from one corner slowly. If the PCB is glued, heat the seam briefly with a low-setting hair dryer to soften adhesive, then pry at the softened area. Make sure to support the board. Flexing can break traces. Keep the transformer and large capacitors steady as you work so nothing rips free unexpectedly. You're at the finish line. Remove connectors by lifting tabs, not by pulling wires, and note each part's orientation. Photos help when reassembling. Once parts are free, inspect capacitors and solder joints for damage. Replace damaged components. When reassembling, realign clips and snap the case halves together firmly, then tighten screws. Finally, test the charger with a multimeter set to DC. Make sure you read the expected 5V before connecting a device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.